Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we are going to look at this 1971 Dodge Challenger RT. Originally born with a 383, this Challenger has been upgraded to a 440 cubic inch V8 with dual 500 CFM carbs. Again, it's been the engine's backed with a 4-speed pistol grip manual transmission. We'll see the pistol grip here in a second. You can see the pistol grip. We'll go ahead and start this shortly as well, but the car is finished in factory correct FJ6 Sassy Grass Green. It's had a rotisserie restoration in 2019. We'll look at the bottom of it as well. That is factory vintage or body tag correct painted as well on the bottom. Other features of this vehicle, we'll go look up front here. It does have power steering. So the power steering does have the correct front spoiler, ceramic long tube headers. We'll see those underneath as well when we go look at it. As I mentioned, the other carriage is painted per the trim tag. Looks excellent. Very good condition. Wheels are painted as well to match. We will do a cold start on this and let you see it. It does have a battery shut off, so we'll turn the battery on, let you listen to it, so you know it's all cold. Sorry, something sharp there. Zip tie. Engine is completely cold. Grabbing the headers there. It's all cold. Go ahead and lock the battery down. Get inside. There. And we'll go ahead and fire this up. See the pistol grip as I was showing you earlier. Interior's in very good shape. Again, sorry, it's a little dark to see. The clock does not work. Fuel gauge, we do need some fuel, but you can see temperature. Tack doesn't work, as you can see. Head on at about 1,000 RPM. Sounds great. Get outside and let you listen to it as well. If you are interested in this vehicle, please give us a call at 941-355-1955, or you can view this vehicle on our website. A lot more pictures. Our website is classiccarsofsarasota.com. Car sounds great. You can see the fuel cap, the RT stripe. Again, originally a 383 car, upgraded to the 440. Sounds good. shut this off and then raise it up so you can see it underneath. Just let you listen to it again. Shut it off here. And we'll go ahead and raise this up. Make sure it's in gear while we raise it so it doesn't roll off. Again, we can ship this vehicle worldwide if you are interested. Additionally, we do offer financing for those folks that might need financing. You'll see additional pictures on the website of the vehicle. ClassicCarsOfSarasota.com, and or feel free to give us a call, 941-355-1955, for this beautiful Sassy Grass Green. Again, appropriate trim tag color. Underneath is painted per the trim tag. Original vehicle, except as I mentioned, the engine, it was born with a 383, but they did upgrade it to the 440. You can see the long tubes there hanging out on the bottom. Almost there. Sorry for the noise of the lift. We'll go under. The front spoiler on the 71 Dodge Challenger RT. Again, very clean underneath. Looks in very good shape. The frame's in good shape. No major issues. The floor pans look very good. Again, this car's in very nice shape. A Rotisserie restoration in 2019. So dual exhaust and the Challenger rear end. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. This 1971 Dodge Challenger RT can be seen on our website as well, ClassicCarsOfSarasota.com. As I mentioned, power steering, correct front spoiler, ceramic long tube headers, undercarriage has been painted per the trim tag. Very nice vehicle, and you will stand out in a crowd, and it shows very nice. If you are interested, please give us a call. Thank you.